Today, we will go over how to install your C3221 and C3222 for your Chevy. First, if you see this tab on your frame, you'll want to remove it to give you access to the hole. Using your bolt fisher, thread the hardware from the upper hole for mounting. Leave the bolt fishers on until finished with the install. Use the same access point to thread the second set of hardware to the second hole. You may find this process a lot easier if you lower the spare tire out of the way. The clamping plate will be used to make the large hole sized down for the hardware to be used properly. Using the same access point, have your hardware and clamping plate threaded on the bolt fisher. Once all three bolts are in place, make sure you have the proper driver and passenger receivers, as they should line up with the frame perfectly. Start applying the rest of your washers and nuts to the proper torque specs. Repeat this process on the other side and put your inserts in when you're ready to use your tie downs. Don't forget to tighten up your spare tire again when you're ready to go.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift product, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit us at torklift.com or call us at 800-246-8132.